Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. It's your boy Nelson. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm back, and today I'm back with a very special episode. Today I decided to go out there, speak to a few football friends that I bumped into, asking them questions like which team do you support, and then if you were to stop supporting the team, which one would you support between the top three? So if maybe let's say you're supporting Kaizer Chiefs, I asked questions like which one would you support between Chiefs and between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. I did some comparisons between Utito Maswangane and Ushikabala Themba Zwane. I did some comparisons between Urile William Fukeng and Nuptutu Shabalala. I asked some nice, interesting football questions, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I interviewed 10, if not 9 people. So let's see. And please, just let me know if you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you want to see more of content like this one. I'll do so for you guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. Support a club, Pirates. Okay, so if you were to stop supporting Pirates, which one would you support between Sundowns and Chiefs?
Sundowns, obviously.
Sundowns. Why Sundowns? Why not Chiefs?
The sky is the limit.
Why am I supporting now if the sky is the limit?
Remember, right? Kwamanje iPirates isanginika kuBetfred isanginika so angeke ngichinje.
Okay, very soon ngibuza ke. So now it's a sitting meluqale between uTito Maswanganye no Shika. Ungaqala bani ubeke bani ngaphandle?
Tito.
Ungaqala ushika uTito?
Ngiqala ngo.
Ubeke uShika ngaphandle.
Makaqale ngaphandle.
Okay, really or Mtu?
Siyathi Mtu Shabalala.
Okay, so mobhekile wena njengoba manje ningena coach, iphi coach ufuna ni appoint as Mabhakani?
Yeah, hayi mfana hayi asingalanda bani le Sundowns yabo masingathola ya leso Sundowns thathe yona sifake ngabheka
ngiyakuza. Okay, so mobhekile apart from Sundowns, between the Chiefs and the Pirates, playing a winner league before
Pirates.
Pirates. No, I'm support
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Okay, so if you were to stop supporting Mamelodi Sundowns right now, which one would you support between Chiefs and Pirates?
Chiefs.
Yeah, why Chiefs?
Yeah,
it's a big club, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so which players would you want to see in Kaizer Chiefs will sign at Jehovah 7 next season?
Mayele
mfethu. Ne? Yeah, sure. Ne? Okay,
tukubuza
ke thamla between uTito, between uTito no Mshishi, ubani ungamqala, ubani ungamfaka ebenchini?
Tito benchini.
Okay. So, mobhekile ama predictions on next season, mobhekile Chiefs yekhetha Pirates yekhetha because of siyazi ukuthi Sundowns vele ingawina, but mobhekile between Chiefs and Pirates iphe ngathi ingawina before
for a league.
Yeah.
Pirates mfethu.
Pirates ingawina before Chiefs.
Yeah.
Support iphi club la South Africa?
Amakhosi.
Ukhosi. Yeah, small. Okay, so it's a city. If you were to stop supporting Ukhosi manje, yiphi ongasupporta between Pirates and Sundowns? Base kuthiwa mele ukhethe.
Ngaya kuMabhakani.
Why not Sundowns?
Yeah, Sundowns club ingaziwa phela.
Club ingaziwa.
Yeah.
Okay. So mobhekile njengoba Ukhosi kanje imaphi ama player ufuna so sign lapha Ukhosi?
For now, mele sithole strike.
Yeah. Mayele, Fiston Mayele.
Yebo.
But le mali ehola ngaliningi kakhulu.
Yeah, so mele sithole omunye. Yeah, if singakwazi uku-afford.
Ne? Okay, sikhona manje thamala mobhekile abomashiyane nabongcobo basasenjene netalent for Kaizer Chiefs.
No, italent ikhona. Mina ukuya ngami ngibona ukuthi ucoach uyasileta down ngoba it doesn't bring the best out of those players.
Usho ukuthi uye ungakhona ukusebenzisa laba.
Akwazi kubasebenzisa ngoba ubafaka out of position.
Okay, so mobhekile besides bona lapha, besides no Fiston Mayele, besides striker iliphi elinye iplayer ngathi ufuna ukulibona lapha ku Chiefs? Ungamthatha uMbule, ungamthatha uKotsiwe, ungamthatha uMunyane wePirates?
uMbule mina ngibona ukuthi angaba right. Usale ngifa available ngibona
usale.
Yeah.
Okay. So mobhekile yona thamala between the Chiefs and the Pirates yiphi engawini league iqala? Sithi mekuthiwa nje Sundowns ayiwin, yiphi ngathi more likely to win before
ngibona ukuthi iPirates ihlangene as much as ngifuna ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs iwine, but ngibona ukuthi iPirates kwamanje ihlangene unless if bazobhayiza bafaka ucoach omunye
ngathi dizinyana
nje kodwa yona ihlangene.
Ngithamela imbuzo ukuthi kana manje mobhekile Tito Maswanganye or Shikabala uMshishi ungafaka bani ubeke wani ebenchini?
Kubani nokubani?
Maswanganye or uMshishi? Themba Zwane.
uThemba Zwane ngeke ngimbeke ebhenjini.
Utito ngaphandle.
Uyavilapha.
Yasingiyabonga. Pirates. Yeah. Okay, so if you were to stop supporting Pirates right now, which one would you support between Sundowns and Chiefs?
I'll support Sundowns.
Why Sundowns?
Because it's a winning team.
It's a winning team.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm feeling you good. So let's support Sundowns. It's cool when you Chiefs. More big Chiefs. If you play middle side, would you give us some bull? No rival. We have for much good best of course.
Like to from Sundowns to Coast.
Yeah.
Bani.
Umbule no rival to konti. Njengoba I'm a free agent, ungavuma wena vele ukuthi beze Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, I think Rivaldo.
Rivaldo.
Yeah, Rivaldo.
Umbule.
Yeah, Umbule. Yeah, for entertainment. Yeah, he can enter just to spice.
Angangena.
Just to spice things up. Because
Okay.
I need to be skillful.
Skillful, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Uma ubhekile khona manje mesithi Tito Maswanganye or Rushika ungaqala bani ushiye bani ngaphandle.
Bani.
Tito Maswanganye
Nobani.
Rushika bani umshishi.
Mshishi.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mshishi. Obvious.
Qala umshishi ne.
Yeah, yeah.
Afero okay, so uma ubhekile between Chiefs ne Pirates yipi most likely ukuthi win league. It's apart from Sundowns. Yipi engawina kuqala.
Apart from Sundowns.
Yeah.
According to my the way ngibona izinto ngakhona obvious ePhakajuice.
Ipakajuice, usho ukuthi ipakajuice na afero. So really umntu.
Yeah.
Really umntu.
Mufukeng really number 1.
Number 1 ne afero. Ngiyabona already ipakani.
Yes.
Ipakani. Okay, so if you had to stop supporting Pirates manje, yipi ongayisupport between Chiefs ne Sundowns? Sundowns. Why Sundowns?
Just like that.
Okay, so njengoba ningena coach khona manje ipi coach ungafuna ni cash. Ufuna pizza, ufuna Rulani.
Pizza.
Ufuna pizza. Uthi ukuthi uqawuthi pizza ngeza? Angeza ne? Okay, sisithi khona manje between Tito Maswanganye nomshishi ushika abantu ungaqala abantu ubeke bani ngaphandle.
Uqala lo mthi.
Ungaqala ngobani? Ungaqala ngobani? Maswanganye or ushika abantu? Ungaqala ngoshika. Yeah, all right. So, mobhekile apart from Sundowns between Chiefs and Pirates, yipi engawini league iqala? Pirates. Yeah. Support the club.
Pirates.
Sure. Okay.
If
If you were to stop supporting Pirates now, which one would you support between Chiefs and Sundowns?
I'd rather go with Sundowns.
Rather go with Sundowns.
Sure.
Why Sundowns? Why not Chiefs?
Chiefs is a losing team. That's why now.
Losing team. Okay, sure. Kana manje uyipakani anina coach, umubu coach mfuna ni appoint. Anina coach phela kana manje.
Oh, coach just now coach.
Anina coach.
Eish, but footman. I think Omunyo better than
Tito Rulani ufuna bani?
Rulani.
Rulani.
Because the guy bega assistant.
Ne? Kanguthi Rulani ngazwakala ne?
Ngasibuyisa amandleni uRulani.
Njengoba uyipakani yake
Sure.
between Tito Maswanganye nomshishi ungafaka abantu beke bani ebenches.
Angithatha umshishi.
Faka umshishi.
Ngifaka umshishi ngithatha uTito ngimfake ebenchini.
Noma
Noma itribule amazi. And then sifuna ukupitalize yabo.
Ufuna ukupitalize
Sure.
nokanye ukuthi okay, so mobhekile apart from Sundowns between Chiefs and Pirates yipi engawini league before end?
Apart from
Sundowns. So it's nje between Chiefs and Pirates yipi engawini league before end?
I think Pirates.
Ushi Pirates ngawina kuqala. Ngane?
Sure.
Afira. So mobhekile really or mtushabalala?
Really mufukeng.
No, ayazi.
Kaizer
Chiefs.
Chiefs.
Okay. So if khona manje you were to stop supporting Kaizer Chiefs, yipi ongayisupport between Towns and Pirates? Towns. Why Towns? Why not Ipakani? Why Towns?
Pagania.
Frostani Towns. Okay, fine. Sisithi njengoba khona manje sikutransfer into kanje ipi iplayer emeli Chiefs isign ukubona ngathi lewe efuna ku Chiefs noma ikanjani?
Repair.
Ufuna repair ku Chiefs. Okay, ndoyakuzo. So wena mobhekile abo Sipho Mbule labo ufuna ukusinikeza bona nabo Rivaldo Kotsi nabo Munyano ngabathatha for Kaizer Chiefs. Angeke. Why? Umbule phela umnandi nasinathe.
Sereno bakhona.
Awusirino bakhona. Okay, I know nyakuzo kefeni. Mobhekile between Tito Maswanganye nomshishi ungaqala abantu ubeke bani ebenchini. Ngaqala ngomshishi. Ubeke Tito ebenchini. Really or mtu? Ipakani. Esimnyama. All right. So if you were to stop supporting Ipakani, yipi ongayisupport between Chiefs and Sundowns? Sundowns. Why Sundowns? Why not Chiefs? Why not Chiefs?
iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs ifana necorona. Mayifikile yabulala ayikho injabulela ekhaya. Usimoshela isikhathi.
Ayikho injabulela ekhaya. Okay, so njengoba uyipakani anina coach kana manje yipi coach ongafuna ni sign?
Thina njengebhakani.
Yeah. Anina coach kana manje. Rulani Tito.
Ngama noRulani.
Omba noRulani nje ukuthi Rulani angathena down off epyramids asokubhakani ngoba ipyramids yamfuna.
Hayi, mina ngikhetha uRonaldo.
Okay, Ronaldo.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, sharp. So mawubhekile khona manje, yipi between iChiefs nePirates engawina ileague before
Pirates.
iPirates?
Yeah.
Okay, iPirates. Okay, khona manje uTito Maswanganye or uMshishi ungakhetha bani, ungafaka bani ebhenchini?
Umshishi ngamfaka ebhenchini, uTito Mbayiseni ngamfaka ngaphakathi.
Ungabeka uShika ebhenchini ufaka uTito?
Ngihlakaniphile mina ngafaka uTito laphaya.
No, hayi yakuzwakala. So real or Mtu?
Mtu. Yeah.
Real or Mtu?
Mtu.
Mufukeng or Mtu?
Mtu.
Real or Mtu?
Mtu.
Mtu.
Yeah.
Uyibhakaniya but it's Mtu.
Yeah.
Ngizwakala.